Okay, so I already have this out. I'm going to go ahead and pop the batteries in and we should get some action. There he goes. I really don't understand exactly how this works, but as you can see, it does have, I wouldn't quite consider it working. I don't know how it works. Sometimes it'll do what it just did several times, sometimes just once, and you have to pull the batteries back out again. So it is very inconsistent. So let me try that one more time. I'll just pull one battery out. And we'll try it again. See if we can't get them to go. Feels like it has a box here that you can press in, but it doesn't seem to be functioning. So, do not know what the trigger is on this thing. And there he goes again. So again, you might need to put some work into it. I wouldn't exactly call it functioning fully, but the sound box does work, and you can get it to gallop. It just takes some work, but it's a very nice piece in very good condition, as you can see. So thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.